नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स एजुकेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम. I am really feeling privileged to host the Spell Bee this year. What an elite club of Spell Bees I have with me. See, we started this journey with over 500 enthusiasts competing with written spellings. Then 4 teams of 9 students each have made it to the quarterfinals. The first quarterfinal is already over. This is the second one. This quarterfinal for the juniors, I can assure you one thing, will lead all the audience, all the viewers, a step further in the field of spellings. See, spellings is a journey where even the best sometimes feel nervous. But believe me, these Maharathis of the Spell Bee Mahabharat have different attitude. They are very positive, they are well prepared, and they are here to prove a point or two. So, before I start, let me have a moment to wish them all good luck and a quick revision of all the rules and regulations. For the quarterfinals, we have kept only 2 rounds. The first one will be the regulation round, and the second one, of course, a buzzer round. We do not have buzzers fitted on the desks, therefore we are using balls to make them more playful. So, we are starting the first round, that is the regulation round. In this round, each contestant will be given 3 words. 5 answers will be added to your tally in case you spell one word correctly. For 3 correct words, you will add 15 marks to your tally, and then of course comes the buzzer round. The buzzer round, even you have got an opportunity to add 45 if you are quick enough. But mind you, the buzzer round will be a negative round also. In case you throw the ball and then you spell the word wrongly, or you are unable to spell, then you lose 3 marks. So for the buzzer round, you will have to be very cautious before you throw the ball. Let's start this round. I'll be starting the round with you, Raghav. Raghav will be the first contestant. Could you please pass on to him? So Raghav, your 3 words are benevolent. Benevolent.
BEN.
BEN
VA.
is not correct. The second one is exaggerate. Exaggerate. Exaggerate.
EX.
EX
I.
is not correct. The third word is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy.
HI.
HI is not correct. I'm afraid you could not open your tally. Let me tell you, in this round, if the words are not spelled properly, then they could be repeated to any of the contestant I feel like. The next, second one. The first word for you is benevolent.
BE.
BEN
VA.
is not correct. The second word is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy.
Can you repeat the word?
Hypocrisy.
HY.
HY
PO.
PO
CR.
CR
EA.
is not correct. The third word for you is immaculate. Immaculate.
IMM.
IMM
CU.
is not correct. Ankit, your turn. Your first word is benevolent. Benevolent.
N.
BEN
VU.
is not correct. Your second word is exaggerate. Exaggerate. Exaggerate.
EX.
EX
HA.
is not correct. Your third word is knowledgeable. Knowledgeable. Knowledgeable.
KNOW.
KNOW
LE.
LED
D. GE.
GE
ABLE.
ABLE is correct. You add 5 marks. Your first word is optimistic. Optimistic.
OPT.
Is not correct. Your second word is benevolent. Benevolent.
BEN.
BEN
VA.
is not correct. Your next word is exaggerate.
EXA.
EXA
Double G.
double G
ERATE.
ERATE is correct. Your third word is resilient. Resilient.
RE.
RESI
LIENT.
LIENT is correct. Your first word is benevolent.
BAN.
B is not correct. Your second word is exaggerate.
EX.
EX
HA.
is not correct. Your third word is querying. Querying. Quarrying.
QUARING.
is not correct. Your first word, tranquilizer. Tranquilizer.
TR
TRANQUILIZER.
AN QUI L IS
ZER. You missed a trick or two. The next one is acquaintance. Acquaintance.
A
A.
double C
No, it's not correct. The third one is resolute.
RE
Resolute. RESOLUTE
LUTE
is correct. You get 5 marks. Your first word is tranquilizer.
TRE
TR is not correct. Your second word is acquaintance. AQU is not correct. Your third word is fondle. Fondle.
FONDLE
FONDLE is correct. You get 5 marks. Your first word is asthma.
AS
TH
A
is not correct. Your second word is piteously. Piteously. Piteously.
PE
Is not correct. Your third word is tranquilizer.
TR AN QUA
is not correct. You missed. Next. Your first word is tranquilizer.
TR
TRANQUILI is not correct. Your second word is acquaintance.
AC
ACQUA
AN
is not correct. Your third word is hustle. Hustle.
HA
H is not correct. Well, with this, we have completed the regulation round. And after the regulation round, Sachin is leading the table with 10 points. So, we are ready for the second round, the buzzer round. The confident should throw it first and spell the word properly. But this round has got negative marking, therefore you should not be in unnecessary hurry. Sometimes this may lead you to trouble. Ready teams, ready contestants. The first word for you is interrupted. Mahi it is. Yes. INTRU is not correct. You get -3. Please help them get the balls back. Get ready. The second word coming on your way. And the word is technological. It is Aditya. Now you have got only 15 seconds after throwing the ball. TECHNOLOGICAL is correct. You get 5 marks. The word is pseudopodium. Again it is Mahi. Pseudopodium. PSEUDOPODIUM is absolutely correct. 5 marks. Thank you, jury, for correcting me. This is the fourth word. And the word is campaign. Again it is Mahi. Campaign. CAMPAPAGINE is not correct. You miss 3 marks. Ready? But do not be in unnecessary hurry. The word is architect. It is Dhruvi. Architect. Time up. The sixth one coming your way. The word is ready. Discontented. Well, spell the word, Nikki. Come on, spell it. Is not correct. You lose 3 marks. The next word is, ready contestants, the word is equitable. It is Raghav. Aditya. Okay, it is Aditya. Aditya. EQUITABLE is correct. Fahrenheit. Mahi. FAR is not correct. For the last word. Okay, it is the 8th one. Okay. The 8th word is, ready? You should think before you throw the ball. The word is saprophyte. It is Mahi. SAPRO. Absolutely correct. Please do not be in unnecessary hurry. Think before you throw the ball. The last word is kaleidoscope. KELIDOSCOPE. is not correct. You lose 3 marks. It is KALEIDO, kaleidoscope. Right? Further, you want SCOPE. Right? So this way we have completed the second quarter final, and the 5 students who make their way to the semi-finals are, congratulations, Sachin, Aditya. The third one is Mahi. The fourth one, Alia. Fifth one, Ankit. Congrats. Please keep preparing for the semi-finals with the words that all those who could not make it to the semi-finals have also played well. Even coming to this stage is a good achievement. So you all are good. To my viewers, I would like to say it's been excellent on your part. All the viewers have been excellent. You encouraged them. You kept the hall lively. At no stage you let boredom enter into the hall, and that was the excellent point on you. Thank you for being such a good spectator. To all those friends who are not present with us in this hall but are viewing us through this video, I would like to say you have been encouraging us, और आपका ये जो encouragement हमें मिलता रहा है, इसी की वजह से हम आगे बढ़ते रहे हैं. All those who like this program must like the video also. You must subscribe also. And please, if you like it, then share with your friends. अच्छी चीज़ें केवल अपने पास नहीं रखते हैं, दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करते हैं, जैसे आप लंच शेयर करते हो. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for the encouragement.